Now we're moving from just finding permutations and combinations to calculating probability. So probability is like, what's the probability that something's going to happen? What are the odds? The way that you find probability is you put the number of favorable outcomes, desired outcomes, over the total number of possible outcomes. So what's the probability that something happens? Well, it's the number of ways that that thing can happen over the total number of outcomes. So a student ID card consists of 4 digits selected from 0 to 9. Digits cannot repeat. So the first part is just how many possible ID numbers are there? So this is just a permutation. There's 4 digits. They can't repeat. I have 10 options for the first digit. Then once I choose a digit for the first digit, it's off limits. So then I have 9 possibilities for the second digit. Then I have 8 possibilities for the third digit, 7 possibilities for the fourth digit. So there are 5,040 possible identification numbers. So that is our total number of outcomes. That's the total number of ways that you can create an ID card with 4 digits using the digits from 0 to 9. So this is our total number of outcomes. What's the probability that a randomly generated card will have the number 4321? So this is saying, what are the odds that of all 5,040 possible ID numbers out there, what are the odds that we randomly choose an ID card and its number is 4,321, 4321. So our favorable outcome is that we get 4321 as our ID number. So the question is, how many ways can you get an ID number 4321? There's only one way to get that number. There's only one of those numbers out there, because if you change just one digit, it's a completely different ID card. So our favorable outcome, our desired outcome is 1. There's only one number that we want. We want this number. We want 4321. So our probability that we get that number is 1 out of the total number of ID numbers, which is 5,040. So what's the probability that of all 5,040 out of all 5,000 plus ID numbers that we randomly get this one specific number? It's 1 out of the total number, 5,040.